Let's go. Yes. Don't cross line next time. Sit down. Enjoy yourself. Deal with that chicken mercilessly. Let's go. Emma, now your work now. Let's go. Come out. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Come out. Almost. Enjoy yourself. Hope you're tearing the chicken. Come out, come out. Sit down, sit down. Deal with that chicken mercilessly. No pull out. Let's go, let's go. Come out. Let's go. No, sit down, don't be you. Sit down. You know they chop chicken? They chop, they chop. Enjoy yourself. Let's go. Don't cross line. Be fast. Let's go. Come out. Yes. Yeah, come out, come out. Sit down. Yeah, let's go. Overdose. Let's go. Let's go. Some people don't go chop for here. Come out. Yeah, Esther, be fast. Come out. Enjoy yourself, my brother. Let's go. Come out. You still feel them. Yeah, let's go. Play, play. Yes. Yeah, they come, they come. Come out from there. Sit down. Enjoy yourself. Deal with that chicken merciless. No pull out, no pull out too. Bro, no pull out too. It is wrong, man. I swear. Tear the chicken, yes. Let's go. Come out. Let's go. Sorry, Kelly. Let's go. Play, play. Hey. Let me buy fight. Boy, enjoy yourself. Let's go. Enjoy yourself. Come on. Wait, Santo, wait. No, sit down, sit down, sit down. You don't come out, sit down. Wait, sit down. They chop, they chop.